guys, here we are back again on Tim Series Vlogs, and all the rest of it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't hit like, hit like. So pretty much no drifting on at the moment at all. I think there's a few South Circuit things in Sydney, but yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to go do a carnicross, which is a time trial event around like a course and a skid pan sort of thing. Something to do, good to go test the Cressida out, because I haven't tested it out since the reshimmed the head and all the valves. So pretty excited to go make sure that works. And Dad's going to have a go with my car. He's going to try and steer the big ship, so we'll see how that goes for him. And we'll pretty much, if you haven't missed out on anything, I'll just put the car on a trailer and put wheels on it. But that's about it, so I'll see you in the morning. We're running a bit late, but on our way, let's get done. Here we are, we're setting a couple of things here. Don't know, Corolla up there. But Dad's going to smoke today because he can't drive. Yeah, get on there and let's get that driver's briefing. Head up this hill where I can video from up to you. That's the skid pan. It's actually huge. It's dry, so it's way better. Nice little turnout, 20 cars or so, I think. So I guess we'll go from here. Oh, so he takes off the second and third. Cheerio then. Cheerio then. I think I remember how to go.
Sure you know the spot,
What?
perfectly on the spot.
Man, you ready? See up there. Pretty much the car's gone good. Me and Dad having a steer. He can't be used to the. He's not used to the ultimate power of an NA2J, but it's going alright. Only been through 2 sets of tyres, 1 set of tyres. We've still got a brand new set now. Big shout out to Integral Automotive for hooking me up with them. So go suss them out if you're around the Canberra region. And yeah, I'll keep going. About to do my next run now, and then we'll see you probably at the outro. I'm waiting for the big tip in on the last run. I'm all excited now, I want to keep going. See, when he's baking, he's fine. When he's baking, he's fine. He just needs that fine line of backing off. I'd own that bike, that's cool. Maybe even let the tyre pressure down a bit too, but... Anyway, before I end this here, this is inside the Cressida. If anyone can say, you know, hydro, this, that, you know. Sunroof because it's gangster. Cage, you know, all the rest of it. But this is the track that we were following yesterday. So you do two runs of this, or 2 runs of each pretty much. So 2 runs of each in that order. And they're actually all really good and all really, they're hard, they're very challenging, don't get me wrong. It's very hard, like on just a big open skid pan to know where to go around cones, but a few cars go, you get the gist of it. But it's actually a really good day, really fun, really good to learn car control at like a slow speed to try and get the car in, because believe it or not, like in the videos it might look very big and flowing, but like it is very tight. So I was in first gear for a lot of it, I'm not even gonna lie. A couple of second gear grabs, but a couple of big clutch kicks to keep it going. But anyway, I'll get to the outro, leave you to it. So this is pretty much wrap up the vlog here. It's the next day. Didn't unload the car last night because I was just tired and stuff. Pretty much went through one set of tyres, then one's there. They did 2 full runs I think, and they're still mint. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Cressy went good, didn't play up on me, which was mad. If you haven't already, go check out Team Blast, Instagram, Facebook. Boom, there it is, get on it. And pretty much hit subscribe if you didn't mind it. You want to see more of this, hit like, you know what to do, I don't have to tell you. And I'll see you in the next one.